Hey y'all! So I did a thing last night and I'm so excited about it. I posted a little bit of it last night on my different social media pages, and I had some great comments and inquiries. And so I thought I would share more about that with you all and just kind of maybe give you some suggestions or some inspiration on trying to do it yourself. So we recently moved in the last year and a half to the south but east coast. And so we're near the beaches. And that was one of the great benefits of living in this area was we had access to the beaches. But since things have changed, this year with so many things going on, we've kind of been socially distancing ourselves from others, especially when there's going to be a large crowd. And so, because of that, we've not been able to return to the beach this year until things kind of simmer down a little. But I miss the beach. And so I thought, I want to get back to the beach. What am I going to do? But then decided you could do something about that. Bring the beach to you. So I want to just inspire you all to try the same if you like the beach and if you're interested. It didn't take but just a few dollars. It was under 20 bucks. So basically what we did was went to the hardware store, purchased some play sand. So it's the softer kind of sand. It's not the rough sand. It's like you might put them in like your at-home sandbox or something. But we purchased a few bags of play sand. They were maybe like $5 or $5.95 a bag, so that wasn't a lot. We went to the department store and we purchased some storage containers, but not the deep size totes. We kind of got more of a shallow size storage containers. They have lids that come with them so that when we're done with the sand, we can just cover back up and protect our sand. But anyway, we purchased some deck lights to go around, our outdoor area. We brought our indoor plants outside for a little while. They came right back in when we came in. But we brought our indoor plants out there. So we saw, that we had the night sky. So it was dark. Well, we went out kind of as the evening was approaching. So it was kind of on one side of the sky was kind of getting dark and the other side was still kind of light. And then we sat there so long, it just kind of changed and it finally got dark. We saw a few stars. Not many stars last night just because it was kind of cloudy and it was going to storm later. But we still saw some stars. So you've got the bags of sand. You have the storage containers for the sand to put your feet in. So you're making like your own individual sandboxes. So each person outside had their own little sandbox. So you have the bags of sand, the totes to put the sand in. We had refreshments. So I had like my margarita glass, but I just had ginger ale in it. So we had like fresh fruit and we had some other snacks and refreshments out there. So you have your food, your drinks, your fresh fruit, you have your sand in your own little individual sandbox. You have like some little plants, out there. You have the deck lighting, so you have a soft glow for lights. We had our portable speaker out there. So we played us some reggae music to put us in the mood. And that was just via Pandora, our Pandora channel. So we had reggae music playing, and then for me, which was like one of the extra special treats, was we went on YouTube, found us a video on just like the ocean. And so we found like an 8 hour, we didn't look at it for 8 hours, but this video lasted 8 hours on just ocean water. Beautiful, perfect blue with the foamy edges and the waves, and it's just hitting the sand, at some beach. We watched that on our screen. We had a screen out there, so you can have like your laptop or a mini TV, just set it up on a TV dinner tray or something, and this is kind of out there, so you're sitting and you're watching that. So it was beautiful to have our feet in our sandboxes, to have the ocean water just playing on YouTube continuously. Beautiful, perfect blue water on this screen that's in front of us. We've got these deck lights. We've got the night sky and the stars. We have pretend wine or drinks. Like I said, it was just ginger ale. We had fresh fruit. This music is playing. And then we just had our imaginations. We had the fresh breeze from outside, Mother Nature. It just felt so good out there last night. And we had the conversation of each other, just enjoying family. But in order to enjoy all of that, you have to have a few things in mind, just mentally. That is a spirit of gratitude, so that even in simple situations, you can really just go, oh my God, this feels so good. It's simple, but it feels good. And then secondly, being able to be mindful. I encourage you, if you don't know about mindfulness, to research mindfulness today. And basically, mindfulness is just being in the moment, taking that moment to stop and smell the roses, taking the moment to put all your senses to that instance. So you're feeling whatever it is that's going on. You're enjoying how it smells, and you're listening, so we hear the birds kind of out there, or the buzz or whatever it is from the bugs that were outside. We saw the lightning bugs. We heard our music, the reggae music playing. On the video, we could hear the water, the waves and all this on the video. And so it's all about just listening and seeing and feeling the breeze and all the other things that your senses can help bring to the moment. And when you're caught up in that, how it smells and how it looks and how it feels and how it sounds, and you're just really grateful for the moment. You don't have to be at the real live beach. You can be grateful for the beach that you were able to be blessed enough to bring to yourself. And so I just wanted to encourage you today to try that. There's a way around so many things. There's more than one way to skin a cat. So, and it's not just for our frustration of not being able to go to the beach and we found another way to enjoy the beach. It could be so many other instances in life. You can find a way to still make it work, And that's my message for you today. God bless you. Hi. Do you feel like you have way too much on your plate to get accomplished and very little time to get it all done? Is anxiety like on 1,000 right now? Take a deep breath and woosah, and then reach out to me, because I am a trusted confidant and accountability partner, and I can help you master time management and work-life balance as a professional. And because I specialize in helping to develop brands and the professionals behind them, I can also help you with your small business. So whether you're still in the conceptual stages of the business, or you're trying to figure out exactly how to launch, how to brand it, how to market it, how to look good, and how to operate efficiently so that you're working smarter and not harder, I'm still your girl. For more information about how I can help you, find me at organizedenergy.co, where I am helping to develop brands and the professionals behind them.